My dear students, good morning. I am going to define prime number, composite number, even number, odd number, and co-prime numbers. These numbers are very important in mathematics. So I am defining one by one. Now I am taking first prime number. A prime number is called A number is called prime number if it has no factor other than 1 and the number itself. My dear student, what is the prime number? A prime number is a number in which there is no other factor 1 and the number itself. Here you see example 2. There are two factor of 1, two factor of 2, 1 and 2. 3. There are only two factors, 1 and 3, no other factor. 5. There are only two factors, 1 and 5. Yani 1 and a number itself. 1 and a number itself. You have seen in these three and so on. So therefore, 2, 3, 5 are prime numbers. So this is the definition of prime number. A number is called prime number if it has no factor other than 1 and the number itself. Second, composite number. Second, composite number. Composite number. A number is called composite number. A number is called composite number if it has at least if it has at least one factor other than 1 and number itself. So my dear student, in composite number, there should be one factor other than 1 and the number itself. Then the number is composite. Example. Here you see 4. The factor of 4, 1, 4 and 2 also. 1 and 4, these two factors are 1 and the number itself. But 2 is also a factor of 4. Here you see 6. In 6, 1, 6, number in itself, and 2 and 3, there are two factors. In this one factor, in this number, two factors. These numbers are composite number. Therefore, 4 and 6 are composite numbers. So, you have seen, my dear students, these two numbers have one factor other than 1 and 4, and 6 has two factors other than 1 and 6. So these two numbers are composite numbers and so on. So this is the definition of composite number. Now next, co-prime numbers. Now, third definition, co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. The numbers have no common factor. The numbers have no common factor other than 1. The number have no common factor other than 1. Example. Here you see, my dear student, this 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers because 2 has 1 and 2 has 1 factor and 3 has 1 factor but no common factor. Here you see 2, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 3. Or you can say 2 has 1 common factor. 2 and 3 has 1 common factor. No other common factor, no other. 2 and 3 as 1 common factor. In the same way, 7 and 9 have only 1 common factor, 1 common factor. ये 1 common factor है. My dear student, in 7 and 9 you will see 1 is in 9 and 7, 1 is only common factor, no other common factor. No other number can divide 7 and 9. So these are the co-prime numbers. So therefore 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, my dear student, these are the co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. They have only 1 common factor and no other common factor other than 1. These are the co-prime numbers. I think the definition of co-prime number is clear to you. So the 2 number which has no common factor other than 1. 2 numbers have no common factor, no common factor other than 1. This is also the definition of co-prime number. So my dear students, fourth definition, even number. Even number. A number which can be divided, a number which can be divided by 2. A number which can be divided by 2 is called even number. This is the definition of even number. A number which can be divided by 2 is called even numbers. The example, here you see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the even numbers because all these numbers can be divided by 2. So these are the even numbers. This is the definition of even number. A number which can be divided by 2 is called even number. A number which cannot be divided by 2 is not even number, odd number. Odd number. A number which cannot be divided by, a number which cannot be divided by 2. A number which cannot be divided by 2 is called odd number. Is called odd number. So my dear students, the definition of odd number is a number which cannot be divided by 2 is called odd numbers. Here the example, see examples. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers are odd numbers. These numbers cannot be divided by 2. So therefore these numbers are odd numbers. A number which can be divided by 2, even number. A number which cannot be divided by 2, odd numbers. So, my dear students, this is the definition of odd numbers. So, I have defined in this video 5 numbers: prime number, composite number, co-prime numbers, even number, and odd numbers. My dear students, I think the definition of all the number is clear to you. In the last, I want to make a request to you. Please subscribe the channel. I shall be very thankful to you.